Trebinje, located in the southern part of Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a charming town known for its stunning scenery and rich history. This picturesque place offers a unique combination of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Exploring Trebinje from a drone allows viewers to truly appreciate the natural beauty of the city from above. Trebinje boasts stunning scenery that is sure to captivate any traveler. From the picturesque Trebisnica River that flows through the town to the lush vineyards and olive groves that surround it, nature lovers will find plenty to explore. The nearby mountains also offer excellent hiking opportunities. Trebinje has been gaining popularity as a tourist destination in recent years. Its well-preserved old town showcases traditional architecture and historical sites such as the Arslanagic Bridge and the Hercegovacka Gracanica Monastery. Visitors can immerse themselves in the local culture by strolling through narrow streets with stores selling handicrafts and traditional delicacies.